Fordyce, Arkansas. Today, I will be going quantitative and qualitative data research examples and ways to decipher and know the difference between the two types. The main part of the word to know and decipher what part it deals with. And on qualitative data, I use the word quantity. And this is to know that it is descriptive. That's how I use qualitative. Means quality. That's how I get it, and I know that it's cannot be measured and it's not a number. Then, secondly, what is quantitative? Again, the easiest way for me to know which one this is I use the main part of that word as well, which is quantity. Even though they're not spelled the same way, those are the easiest ways to know which ones to use and which means quantitative. On this quantitative, it is means you can use numbers and measurements. That's what needs to be for that research. Now I'll give a quick example of the two and how to decipher from them both. Say I want to research and look at the data for a MacBook computer. What I want to do is figure out what I would give as for a MacBook. I would say the color or white. The thing you can do is could be 2 Hz Intel Core Duo. Processor. And then also it could be a 1 GB, 667 megahertz RAM memory. So those would all be qualitative data. Again, what we'll do now is show the difference between the two data, and I will show now quantity, which could be numbers and measurements. So for a magnet, I would go with the weight, it'd be 10 pounds. And we'll use the size of the screen. And then I will also use the cost of my MacBook. I paid $17. And measurements that can be used for the MacBook. As you can see, those are different types of measurements and ways to decipher what is being researched. Conducting the research for a MacBook. Each will gain a different type of knowledge about a product or a research subject. Qualitative can also help understand reasoning as well as behavior. Quantity, numbers and calculations that help. Today, I've tried to show you the examples and differences of telling quantitative and qualitative data, the difference between the two, and which one you will need to get the knowledge that you need for your research.